king parrots and galahs. There's one king parrot, that was a female. There's the other one up in the tree. You can see the little red dot. I don't know. Hopefully you can see it. It's in the middle. I just put some wild bird seed mix out for them and some sunflower seeds for birds. The little tiny ones are double bar finches. The pink and grey are galahs. The one with the red head is a king parrot, and that's a male. And the other one is a king parrot as well, but that's a female. You can also see on the greenhouse, which I don't use as a greenhouse, it's just an empty box, is a double buff finch. I hope you enjoy my birds, my wild birds.